Alright guys, we are on day 4.
Back for day 4.
I'm actually a little, do the 4s. Throw up your 4s.
Yep.
A little bit more awake today, which is good. I was so tired yesterday. I feel like it's so dark still. Brighter? Better?
Can we start over?
No. We're good. This is enough quality content for the internet. So, we're on day 4. I'm starting to feel some like abdominal swelling and like ovary discomforts. Like I can tell stuff is happening. Today we stay at the same dose, so the 225 IUs of the Gonal F, and then also the 1 vial of Minipure. We have a doctor's appointment tomorrow for a follicle scan. So we're going to check and see how these meds are working to grow follicles. Will we increase the numbers? Will we decrease the numbers? How many follicles are there? So that's really, really exciting. Yeah, it's kind of cool. Like 4 days of meds, and then on the 5th day, we're going to go check it out. So they may be changing my dosage for day 5, which is tomorrow. So we're definitely going to film a video after our appointment tomorrow, probably parking lot style, just talking about how that went.
You never put it high enough for me.
You're too damn tall. So, yeah, so we'll do a video for that tomorrow and just kind of update everyone. And then after that, he's going to join me for this appointment. He has to get blood for an infectious disease blood panel to make sure he's not infectious, I guess. And then, yeah, and then we'll update you guys after that. So I'm excited for that. So we're going to hop into injections today. Kind of starting to get tired of being stabbed, but it's only day 4.
It's only day 4.
I know there's like another week to 10 days about left of being stabbed, and it's really not that bad. But there's 4 medications, and one of them is the trigger shot, so that means the 3rd medication could start coming into play sometime in the next several-ish days. I don't really know when.
We'll find out more tomorrow.
We're gonna find out more tomorrow. So, all right. Down to the stomach. Again, I'm going to do the Gonal F pen, and I think this might be the last dosage for the pen, so let me crank this over to 225. 225. Okay, let me go there. And this might, like, clear just about everything out of the pen.
I'll mix this too early.
Yeah.
Ready?
As ready as I'm gonna get. I don't know. Where are you gonna do yours? Because I think it's better for you to do yours a little bit further away than.
Okay. Then you go inside the freckle.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, 7, 6. Okay. Ugh, you just do it. I don't want to do it. You do both today.
Alright.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah, just a little pre-poke. And we'll do 1, 2, 3. You can let go.
Okay.
And then we did not get a cotton swab.
It's fine. Pull it up. There's Biscuit going, what are you guys doing, huh? What are you guys doing? Oh, Buster, you gotta be on camera too. Oh, what are you guys doing, huh? It's just so fun grabbing random fatty bits on yourself.
And in. Oh, that burned.
Ooh, that one hurts today.
Sorry. In 3, 2, 1. There you go.
Okay.
So I think the faster that we inject, the more it burns.
Yeah. And honestly, I think the chubbier bits down here, it hurts less than it does like over here, where there's less fat. I got a nice little pudge, so it just hurts less down here.
I was going to ask you if you were getting more comfortable giving yourself shots, but I think that think we saw the answer to that one today.
Well, yeah, yesterday wasn't so bad. I don't know. I just
Yesterday
wasn't...
you were too tired, you didn't care, you were just like,
forget about it.
I'm going to bed.
Stab myself. I really did. I was so tired.
So,
today. Yeah, I just wasn't feeling it today.
Okay.
I was right there on the cusp of doing it, and I was like, no.
You were.
I don't want to. So, yeah, hopefully you're there every night, because otherwise I would be like, no, I don't want to.
No, that's not going to happen.
I know. I'll be like, oh, I have to stab myself. I don't want to.
Well, you guys have a good night. We look forward to our appointment tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.
Alrighty, guys. We are on day 5 of injections. We went to our appointment earlier today, and before this video comes out, you'll see the video of our follicle scan and follicle count, so we won't talk about that here, but basically we're still on the same protocol for injection. So still 225 of the gonal F, and then still a full vial of the Menopur. I don't know how you would do not a vial of the Menopur. I guess half? I don't know.
I don't know. It says to do 1 milliliter. Maybe this is part of it too. If you don't do the 1 milliliter of liquid.
Yeah, I don't know.
Or maybe you do 2 vials sometimes. I don't know.
Oh yeah, maybe some people do too. Burns. They did mention that at the class, though. If you have to do 2 vials, you can still just use the same amount of liquid. That way it's only like 1 ml of injection, but twice the amount of like drugs, you know what I mean?
Probably twice the burn.
Probably twice the burn. Okay, so I'm going to click this up to the 225. This one's a new gonal F pen. Ta-da! It's a fresh one. So I'm going to click this up to the 225. I'm going to stab myself today. I got this. Not going to bitch out today.
She's getting back on the horse.
Not going to bitch out today. I can bleep it out. Bleep! Okay. 225. We haven't yet agreed on a stabby spot. There we go. 225. Clicked up. I'm going to go for like this lower chunk over here. It's back on the original side. Sort of in my lower...
With the belly button.
No, I don't want the belly button.
Right.
I don't want it there. I want... Yeah, we're going to go for the lower chubby bits. Lower fatty chunk. Stabby, stabby, no delays.
One, 2, 3.
Grab my chubby bit.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Is it burning today?
It feels warm. It's not burning as bad as it was yesterday.
Super slow today. 3, 2, 1.
Okay. Done for day 5. Howdy.
How's it going tonight?
Told me to turn on the camera and say howdy, and then he didn't do it.
I didn't say howdy.
Anyway, we are on day 6 of injections, and we still have the 1 vial of Menopur and the 225 IUs of gonal F. I think I'm going to give myself the gonal F tonight, and Eric's going to do the Menopur, you know, our normal thing that we do now. So, yeah, we're going to hop right into it. I have my second follicle scan tomorrow morning early, so we'll get to check on them ovaries and kind of see how that's looking. He's gonna work, so it's just gonna be me, but yeah. So once we're
hoping they'll measure them.
Yeah, we're thinking they're gonna start measuring all of the follicles just so we can get an idea of size and how they're growing. So we'll do an update tomorrow. Just
You think there's gonna be more, or you think it's gonna stay with 24?
I'm aiming for 30, man.
I know you're aiming for, but do you think there's gonna be more?
Yes. Because I feel like maybe she didn't see all of them, but I don't know.
Okay.
I'm aiming for 30. Just doing like the Zen thing, like meditating, telling my ovaries I want 30.
Okay.
We'll see if it works.
Alright.
I should be happy with 24, but I don't know why.
Well, we are happy with 24.
Yeah. I'm just aiming for 30, so.
Alright.
Alright, day 6. Let's get to stabbing.
Yep.
The daily stomach shot. Dum dum dum. And yes, I live in jeans. I love jeans. Oh yeah. It's real cute. Lower chub. See, my problem is if I just think about it too much.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, stab.
One, two, three.
Do the whole needle removal. So easy peasy. Manipulative dissolves quickly.
Shake it around. Alright, what happens if there is a little air?
I die.
No. Going in. 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1. Extra not fun today?
Yeah. I think it like hit like perfectly in the midline, right like below my belly button.
Yeah.
Oh. That didn't feel great.
Alright guys. Night 6 in the books. Have a good night.
Bye.